Yes, good morning, friends. How are you? How's your life going on? Today we are going to talk how to write a letter. Okay, so first letter is that write a letter to your father requesting him to send you more money this time. Okay, so first of all we will mention address here. Okay, so this is the address. Okay, next, my dear father. Okay, we will mention address, after then we will mention date. Okay, next, my dear father, you will be glad to know that I have secured first position in the terminal test. I assure you that I shall try my best to secure very good marks in the annual examination. Dear father, I'm putting some extra burden on you this time. I have to pay rupees 110 for the board examination fee. I have also to buy one sports kit for the annual tournament. Moreover, I want to purchase some help books as they will help me in securing good marks. Okay, kind as you always have been, I'm sure you will not mind sending me rupees 600 more this month, right? Yours affectionately, Ramesh. Okay, see, if we talk about the subscription, okay, to blood relation, okay, we have to use yours affectionately. To friends, we have to use yours sincerely. To principal, headmaster, teacher, we have to use yours obediently. To official and businessman, we have to use yours faithfully. To strangers, we have to use yours truly. Okay, so if we talk about next letter, write a letter to your father asking permission to join a party of students going an educational tour. Okay, so examination hall, because address is not mentioned here. Okay, next, Jaipur, date. Okay, my dear father, you will be glad to know that our school has broken up for the summer vacation. I'm free now. Our school has organized an educational tour during these holidays. Our computer teacher is also going with us. The touring party will visit Agra, Jaipur, and Mumbai. I shall have to pay rupees 750 in all. Such trips add a great deal to our knowledge. They give us practical lessons. Okay, they also provide fun and amusement. I therefore request you to allow me to join the trip and send me rupees 200 by money order. With respect to dear mother and love to Kavita. Okay, so yours affectionately and name. Okay, so like it, we can make a letter. Okay, if it comes in examination. Okay, first of all we have to mention address, date, after the body of the letter, and last, subscription. Okay, next, suppose that you are Naveen Chawla staying with your uncle in Delhi at Devnagar, Karol Bagh, New Delhi. Write a letter to your father who is in Chennai, telling him why you intend to join computer course. Okay, so we mentioned address here. Okay, respected father, I'm living I'm living comfortably with my uncle in Delhi. My uncle and his family are faring well and hope you to be sailing in the same boat. I intend to join a computer course for the following reasons. Okay, so we can give any reason. Okay, suppose that I have given first, computer technology is advancing day by day. Second, the future of computerization in India is very bright. Computers will be used in all organizations to supervise and guide machines. Okay, computer trained person computer trained personnel will be required in every office and factory. Okay, it's a job oriented course. So we can provide any reason. Okay, here computer technology is advancing day by day. The future of computerization in the future of computerization in India is very bright. Computers will be used in all organizations to supervise and guide machines. Computer trained personnel will be required in every office and factory. It's a job oriented course. Okay, so I hope you will allow me to do so, not minding the financial burden. Pay my best compliments or pay my best regards to respected mother and dear Arun. Okay, so with regards, yours affectionately. Okay, we can write here name, right? So here there are some difficult words. Okay, in this letter, comfortably it means आराम से, intent चाहता हूँ, bright ब्राइट उज्ज्वल, सुपरवाइज निरीक्षण करना, गाइड नेतृत्व करना, financial आर्थिक, right? And if we talk about in previous letter, in this letter, okay, if we talk about difficult words, broken up, okay, break, brock, broken, break, brock, broken, break up, बंद होना, वेकेशन छुट्टी, ऑर्गेनाइज व्यवस्था करना, एड ए ग्रेट डील टू बहुत वृद्धि करते हैं, प्रैक्टिकल व्यवहारिक, अम्यूजमेंट मनोरंजन, राइट? So friends, let's go further. Next, letters for placement of a person. Okay, draft a letter for placement for the post of stenographer in ABC School, Jaipur, that was advertised in the Times of India on 4 Feb 2017. Okay, so this is address dated Feb 11 2017. The principal, ABC Senior Secondary School, Jaipur. Resume for the job of a stenographer. Okay, sir, this is with reference to your advertisement in the Times of India on 4 Feb 2017 for the post office stenographer. Okay, so date is published in the question. Okay, so we can write over here. So I'm at present working with Surendra and company in Dosa. My family is stationed at Jaipur. I find it rather difficult to go to Dosa daily and come back. My parents are old, they are sick and require constant care and attendance. So I am looking up for a job in Jaipur. Okay, I have 1 year's experience. I assure you my best. I have I have experience of 1 year. We can also write in this way. I have experience of 1 year. Okay. I assure you my best services if given a chance. I am enclosing my resume for your perusal. Okay. Yours faithfully, name. Now, if we talk about resume, name, address, DOB, marital status, educational qualifications, job experience, expected salary, and references. Okay. Let's go further. Suppose that you are Radha Mohan. You found an advertisement in Dainik Bhaskar for the post of a clerk given by Jaipur Plastics Jaipur. You want to apply for the same. So write an application to the manager. Your describing your qualification and experience. Describing your qualifications and experience. So write an application to the manager describing your qualifications and experience. So we have put address here. Okay, the manager, Jaipur Plastic, Pratapnagar, Jaipur. Application for the post of a clerk. Dear sir, in response to your advertisement in Dainik Bhaskar dated this one for the post of a clerk. I want to submit my candidature for the same. The following is a brief description of my qualification and experience: name, age, education, extra qualification, work experience. So, besides my academic qualifications, I have been a good player of hockey and volleyball during my college career. I have also participated in debates and won good many certificates and prizes. If given a chance, I promise to serve your concern to the best of my abilities. Thanking you, yours faithfully, and name. So, in this way, we can make a letter, okay, while writing our personal details, right? Next, let's go further. Write an application to the ABC school on applying for the post of a lecturer in English. Okay, this is the director, school education, Jaipur, Rajasthan, for the post of lecturer in English. This is a This is response. This is in response to your advertisement for the post of a few lectures in English in the Rajasthan Patrika dated 10 July 2016. Respectfully, I offer my services candidature for the same post. My details are given below: name, father's name, postal address, academic qualification. Okay, others in others took part in NCC games and sports. Okay, experience, age, etc. Health, robust, good health. Okay, interest in hobbies, music, reading books, watching cricket matches. Strength, sincerity, helping nature, optimistic. Nationality and state, Indian, Rajasthan. Marital status, married, one child. So I attest herewith attested copies of my certificates and testimonials for your perusal. In case I am appointed, I assure you, sir, to satisfy all the consent with my work and conduct. Looking forward, yours faithfully, Ganesh Purohit. So, we have seen that how to write a letter, okay, how to write letters for a placement of a person, okay. I hope you must have got knowledge. Thank you very much.